We're going back to
Nigeria!
Wow. So excited. We are so excited. Are
Yes, I am excited. It's been a long time coming.
Long time.
How long has it been for you?
That's almost 6 years now. So
6
almost
years.
6 years. Yeah.
Mine has been 3 years. Almost 3 years.
You are still new. You don't know.
He said I'm still new. Me, I'm still JJ. After 3 years.
You're still new.
After 3 years.
Up to 3 years. Come on.
Almost 3 years.
Okay.
Almost 3 years. Oh, guys, so travel with us. We can't wait to show you our entire trip.
Yeah. Love you guys.
Yes, as you can tell, guys, we are so excited. We are going back to Nigeria. Welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Esther, and if you're not, thank you for coming back. I'm so excited, as you can tell. Like, it's been about 3 years, no, almost 3 years since I left the country, and I know that there are lots of changes already. I can't wait to explore all those changes, reconnect with my family members, especially my mom. And guys, you know what, at this time she doesn't know that we're on our way yet, or that we're coming today. We gave her a future date as our arrival date, so she's still looking forward to that date. We just want to surprise her, so we're going before the set date. I'm going to show you how the surprise went in another vlog, so ensure that you plug into this channel to see the surprise. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe, and hit the like button. Yes, so today I'll be taking you on our trip, and I am really hopeful that it's going to be a very smooth and stress-free trip, because I've been praying about it, guys. I've been praying about it. You know, I've had anxiety at one point, but I've put everything to prayers and I've committed all to God. So I'm very hopeful that, yeah, everything is settled, and so that is the mindset I'm going to work with on this trip. Right now our bags are all packed. We're waiting for our Uber to come take us to the airport. We have like excess luggage already that we have to pay for an extra bag. That's how much load we've had to pack. I've decided to just dress comfortably. Right now the weather is sunny, and I know it's also going to be sunny in Lagos, though I will be arriving in Lagos in the night, but I know it's going to be hot, so not wearing any jacket or anything. Do I have my scarf to wrap up myself, and I think I have a sweatshirt that I'm just going to wrap around my waist as I go. But right now this is what I am wearing. I'm wearing these jumpsuits by Calvin Klein, that's CK, and my Crocs, my birthday gift from our friend, and I have my socks in there just in case it gets cold. And we cannot go without it, neck pillows to the rescue, because it's going to be a very long flight. Honestly, thinking about the hours of the flight alone, I don't want to think about it. I'm just going to go through it. I hate long flights, actually. I enjoy short flights, but when it gets like 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours and above, I start experiencing anxiety. I start to hate it, you know. But anyway, guys, let's just go. Guys, can you see all our luggages? This is my backpack. This is my carry-on, my camera bag. This is for my husband. And see our extra boxes, all padlocked, by the way. Hope that secures them enough. See the plenty load we are carrying, as if we are relocating. How many bags in total? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 big boxes, 2 carry-ons. I think he has his own backpack as well, so 2 backpacks. We commit our journey into your hands, Father. We pray that you go ahead of us in Jesus' name. Amen. Washington State. So we already checked in our boxes, and I think we still have about 2 more hours to boarding time. So we're just going to our gates and we're going to wait and probably grab something to eat and just relax. Guys, so we just completed a 9 hours flight and we're currently in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The flight was long, but it wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. Right now we have about 30 more minutes to the next flight. So I've just tried to brush my teeth and do some cleanup. Nobody wants to enter Lagos with a smelly body and smelly mouth. It doesn't feel like I was on a 9 hours flight. Maybe by the time I complete the entire trip, I'll really know what's up. But for now, I'm still cool and fine. I try to watch some movies and I try to sleep. Though I didn't enjoy my sleep so much like that, but it's been fine. Hi guys! You guys are seeing my face for the first time and you're seeing her for the first time. This is Ronke and this is... We are Esther's sisters. Guess where we are, guys? We are. Do you want to tell them?
Yes, we are the airport.
That's the brother.
Yes.
And that's the sister-in-law.
Hello.
So say hi to Esther's YouTube family. Say hi to the YouTube family, sir. Anyways, we're here. We're waiting for them. You know Nigeria wahala now. They've landed for the past 1 hour, but yet they've not released them. So guys, we made a bet on who will sight them first. Me. Well, I think it's gonna be me. So I'm not gonna get carried away. That is not an excuse. Guys, if you agree that it is not an excuse, put the comment down below. I should really start doing YouTube, you know. I think I'm good at this. But anyways, this is for Esther, not. She does not know that we are pilgrimage. See, that one has been having sugar rush since because her sister is coming to town. Do you want to say something to them? They are talking to you, Daddy. Say something to them.
It's talking back at you.
Anyways, we'll update you guys when we see them. Bye for now. Guys, see the latest bride in town. And yes, guys, I won the bet. I sighted her first. We are live in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm so excited. I'm just very much happy. So we got to the airport yesterday. I couldn't really vlog because we had to pass through immigration, pass through, I don't know what that place was, maybe COVID something. We had too many queues I felt were unnecessary. But as usual, when you're in Nigeria, you need to be reminded that you're in Nigeria. But one thing I hated about the airport yesterday was that it was really stinking and the ACs were not working. I'm like, why are you punishing us? And at that point, I just felt so many emotions rushing through me. Like, I felt gratitude, joy, and at the same time, I felt sadness at the sight I was seeing. Nigeria should have been better than the reality I met. Let me not even go into the details because I feel it will also get me emotional. And this is also a call to everybody to like get your PVCs if you are yet to. Let's just vote in a different breed of leaders than what we're already used to. You cannot do same thing and expect different results. If we're going to expect a different result, we need to do something different. And part of doing something different is to vote in new crop of leaders. at this point, I think we all just need to walk by faith. And walking by faith is believing that God would crown our little effort, and our little effort in this case is to get our PVCs and votes. Nigeria can actually do better than what we already have. It can really do better. It was so disappointing, like after so many years. This is 2022. This is the site we are. But anyway, right now we have our bags in different places, and I don't want to show it to you the way it is. We've not had the time to arrange yet because we've gotten very tired, and I feel like if I show you the room now, you might not appreciate the beauty of it so much. So when we are much more organized, I will do it all and also include it in this video. Other than that, today we're getting ready to go see my mom. Like I told you guys, she doesn't know that we're in the country yet, so it's going to be a surprise. I'll show you how that goes in another vlog. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss it. We're just gonna get ready and go get breakfast, and I'll show you all of that in another vlog. Don't worry, I'm going to take you guys with me on my adventures in Lagos as much as possible. So if you're all for that, you know what to do. Subscribe. Thank you so much. So this is like a small kitchen area. They have a small refrigerator here that you can keep whatever items you want to, and there's a small microwave here and a small cooktop. The room came with all of these plates. They have some pots here as well, and there's a blender, yeah, and you have storage here as well. So if you want to cook, you want to feel at home, you have this here. Ignore this. This is our bag, so we just got back, and this is the room area. So they have a table here. Just ignore this bag. Pretend like the bag is not there. The only thing I don't like about this room is this chair. I wish they had like a sofa chair here instead of this one, so that if you don't want to sit on the bed and you really want to relax. But this one looks like a work area. This is the mini work area. You have a chair, you have a desk, and here is your wardrobe. So this wardrobe has a long mirror, a standing mirror here. So this is the bed area. It's a very big bed, but this room actually looks smaller than what I expected from the picture that we saw online. It looks very small, and the studio room is actually what we wanted to go for initially, but when we got here and we saw the studio room, it was very tiny. The studio room also has like this kitchen area. Yeah, let me show you the TV area. So this is the TV area, and that is the restroom. I'm going to show you that shortly. And there's a dressing table here, so don't mind that all of these bags are here. So like I was saying, we actually wanted to take the studio room, but when we got here, the studio room was smaller than what we expected. This is a luxury room. This room is bigger than that one. So for this room, if you are staying for 7 nights and above, it's discounted at 50k per night. Otherwise it's like 65k per night. I think the studio room is 48k per night, and if you are staying for 7 days and above, it is 41k per night. So for this room as well, you can change the lighting. Why is this thing not pressing now? I don't know what's happening here. You're supposed to press this and the lights will change, but guys, it's not changing. I don't understand what is happening there. So this is the room. So this is the bathroom. It has a soaking tub, and we have these wall hangers for your whatever. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so this mirror has some light. You can put it on here. So you press this and it comes on, and you press it goes off. So that's the air dryer, and this is the bath area.